I'm hungry. Time to exhale blackberry. Slimy though. Bleach me some beeberry immediately. No slime fillet. I'm busy. Slimy though. You unbeautiful bipolar. This is why women not talking to you. And why are you making me with a kitchen and a divine bagas? Brosa bagas. You celebrity patsy. Fucking stop it, slime. What's wrong, slime? Working in round air cracker. To be continued. But there is only one thing. Time to go squish and snooze. Time to go shave the slime. I wonder what Slime Tail was up to. Oh, you so booey. I made a special meal for you this time. Slimefield Studio. I just need a little bit French's secret ingredient first. I gotta say, it was so beautiful right now when it smells and stinks absolutely tantalizing. Via rolling slime midget. It was so hard of you. Move the cheddar. Took me some chow already, you Eunice applier violency. Slime. When did he ever laugh at shit did you put inside my lost burger?